हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ ऐसे इंडिपेंडेंस डे। मैं आपके साथ 250 वर्ड्स के साथ ये ऐसे शेयर करूँगी। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी, अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। तो शुरू करते हैं हम अपनी वीडियो। Independence Day is celebrated in India every year on 15th of August with great joy and happiness. India became independent from British rule on 15 August 1947. Since then, this day is celebrated every year. India was under the British rule for around 200 years. This day reminds us of the sacrifice of our freedom fighters. We feel proud to be a part of the largest democratic country in the world, where the power is in the hands of the common man. On this day, streets of every city are decorated with national flag. During the celebration at Red Fort, New Delhi, many tasks including march past are the performed by Indian Army and cultural events by the school students are performed. After the national flag hosting and national anthem recitation, the Prime Minister gives his annual speech. Our Independence Day reminds us our glorious past, our achievements, and the sacrifices of the innumerable martyrs to the causes of freedom and inspires us to stand united and work together, forgetting the differences of caste, creed, color, language, and so on. Independence Day celebration also inspire the young generation to serve the country. Hence, Independence Day is important to keep the spirit of patriotism alive. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो थोड़ी सी भी हेल्पफुल लगी तो प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन के बटन को दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें ताकि आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो।